Hi everyone, welcome back to the SQL tutorial series. In today's session, we're going to tackle question 38, how to find the employees who earn the highest salary in each department. This is a very common real-world scenario, because in many organizations, managers often want to quickly see who is the top earner in each department. Let's start by looking at our database structure. We have two tables. Employees table contains following fields. Employee ID, the primary key. Name means employee's name. Salary, their salary. Department ID, a foreign key that links to the department they belong to. Departments table includes Department ID, the primary key. Department, the name of the department. So basically, the employees table holds all the staff information, and the departments table holds the department details. Our task is find the employee or employees who have the highest salary in each department. Display the result with department, name, and salary. And finally, sort the results by department name in ascending order. For example, if the input table is like these and we run the query correctly, we might get a result as following. Accounting, Shelley Higgins, 12008. IT, Alexander Hunold, 19,000. That means Shelley has the top salary in accounting, and Alexander has the top salary in IT. Now, let's write our first solution using a common table expression with a window function. Let me break this down. We join the employees table with the departments table, so we can show the department name. Then, using the dense rank window function, we partition the data by department ID. Inside each department group, we order by salary in descending order. That means the employee with the highest salary in each department will have a rank of 1. Finally, in the outer query, we filter with where RK equals 1, so only the top earners remain. And we order the result by department name. When we execute this query, we get the department, the employee name, and their top salary. Now let's look at another approach. We can also solve this problem using a subquery with max. Here's the query. First, for each department, we calculate the maximum salary using the subquery. That gives us the highest salary for that specific department. Then we check if the employee's salary matches that maximum value. If it does, that employee is included in the final result. Again, we order the results by department name. This query will also return the top earner for each department. So, we now have two different ways to solve the same problem. CTE with dense rank, very useful when we want to keep multiple ranks, not just the top. Subquery with max, a more traditional approach, often easier for beginners to understand. Both are correct and will give you the same result. The choice really depends on whether you prefer window functions or subqueries. And that's it for question 38. We learned how to find the employees with the highest salary in each department using both window functions with CTEs and subqueries with max. In the next session, we'll continue exploring more SQL questions in real business scenarios. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.